Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can use your fingerprint to unlock your Poco M5s. For that, you want to go to your settings and then go to password and security. And here you have the options to even use your face or your fingerprint. Then we click on it and we need to confirm our PIN first to verify that it's really us. And then it says add your fingerprint. Fingerprint sensor is located on the right edge of your device. Okay. So put your finger on the sensor and then lift after you feel a vibration. Adjust your grip to capture the edges of your fingerprint. So move your finger around slightly. Add face data to be able to use face unlock. Add face data first. Add now. No, we have a separate video for that, so we don't do that now. And now we can name our fingerprint. If you have names for your finger, you can now put them in. We click on done. And then we have our fingerprint one here. We can remove the fingerprint if we don't want to use this finger anymore. We can add a fingerprint here. Now it's checking. We go back. We don't want to add one now. We have the fingerprint recognition method here. We say touch and not press. And then use fingerprints for the lock screen, privacy, password, show, app lock. And if we go back and lock our phone and then put our finger on the sensor, the phone is unlocked. You see how that works. So that's how you use your fingerprint to unlock your Poco M5s. I hope you liked it. Hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.